Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create animated videos with free AI tools. The first thing we need to do is generate our story. We're gonna use ChatGPT for that. And here I'm just simply gonna write a script, write a story for a 7-year-old boy where two kids and a parrot live in a village. And this way you can use ChatGPT to generate amazing stories with any context you would like after you got your story. What's the next point? Well, up next we have to generate our voice scripts for these stories. And what we're going to use for that is 11labs.io. Basically, this is a tool which will be generating our text-to-speech voiceovers. And simply come back here on ChatGPT so we can get our story. I'm gonna simply copy the first paragraph and then come back here and paste it. You can choose any voice actor for this you would like. I'm gonna go with Freya because I like that one, and then simply tap on the generate button.
Once upon a time, in a small and cozy village.
And once it's done generating, you are able to download it and save it on your computer. So we're gonna do just that. You can give it any name you would like. I'm just gonna give it a standard numbered name and save that. And after that, we will be generating our prompt for the story so we can create our animated video using that prompt. And how we basically do that, we are just gonna copy this whole story from here, or you can also just tell the ChatGPT to generate the prompt for the story which it has provided, because this is an intelligent AI and it knows that it has generated a story for you which it will keep in context and then generate your prompt. For the story you have provided, could you generate a prompt that I can use to create a video? And there we have a nice looking prompt which we can use to generate our video. And now that we're ready for that, we're gonna go on this website runway.ml, and here we can generate our text to animation footages. And once you're here, you have to click on this generate videos button, and there click on the text image to video option. And since we are doing text to video, we have to copy our prompt from back here ChatGPT and come back here and select text and paste this here and click on the generate button. Now this website works in a format which is based on credits, meaning you have some amount of time left which can be used to generate those videos. As you can see, it says each second of video generation uses 5 credits and you have 389 left, meaning if you are creating a video up to 5 seconds, you can multiply that by 5 and that will be the total credits that will be used to generate that video. Now here we have our video. Let's have a look. Okay, it's looking clean, and there is another way you can do to create animated videos that I'm gonna show you. First of all, we will be needing our image, meaning we don't want to use the text to image feature, and for that we need to have an image. So we're gonna come here on leonardo.ai, and since I already have an account, I'm gonna click yes, I am whitelisted. And once we are here on their homepage, simply click on the AI image generation button and paste here prompt, then select a model. We're gonna go with standard diffusion and click on the generate button. And there we have some nice looking images. If you wish for it to be in a landscape format, simply click here and select 16:9. And you can also try some other models like we can do 3D animation style, and we can also add some extra prompts like 4K render and high quality. Then click on the generate button. And there we have some better looking results. I'm simply gonna save one of these images. I think I will go with this one where they are going to their home. And after we have saved that, we will come back to this site. And first of all, we will download our first video from here. And then we will click again on the text image to video option, but this time we're gonna select the image option and use our image reference. And after selecting our image, simply click on the generate button once again. And here we have our second video, which we can simply download. It's looking really good, as you can see. Now, after we are done with generating our videos and save them to our computer, the final step of this video would be to edit them and put them all together. And for that, you can use any tool you are comfortable with. You can use CapCut, or you can use a normal video editor in your mobile device, or you can even use something professional like Adobe Premiere Pro, which I'm gonna use. I am simply going to open up a new project, and then I'm gonna drag our videos one by one. Just like that, and then I will drag in our voiceover. Make sure to copy our video and then paste it again several times to increase the playtime of the video. You can also keep the same one, or you can add multiple, just like I have done.
Once upon a time, in a small and cozy village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river.
And if the video is not fitting properly, simply scale it down so it fits in the scene, just like that. Then I'm gonna copy the scale and paste it on all the other ones.
There lived two best friends named Sam and Lily.
Alright, that was today's video. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video. And if you took value, let us know, or give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.